I kind of cringe when I see people getting insurance quotes. They go online and it's never going to be apples to apples. I always had a saying like, most any company brokerage can write the policy. The real question is, will they pay a claim? And so you want to know what you're actually signing up for. It's not a one size fits all full replacement cost across the board anymore. I shouldn't say everything, but it's more and more a la carte is a better way to phrase it. Maybe speak to us or tell us about your experiences with that dynamic.
We're seeing a lot more within American Family, but also in other carriers. You can see that companies are going more to a la carte pricing, if you will. We used to have policies that we kind of, American Family specifically, we had one, we kind of called it a Cadillac policy. We called it a Gold Star policy. It had everything in it. Whether you needed it or not, you got it. It covered just about everything. You could add a few endorsements to it, a few options to it, but it was all kind of baked in. And we had a couple different flavors, and that's how it worked for years and years. In recent years, that has gone much more to, we have a base policy, which is kind of the bones, the frame of the policy. And then you kind of build it out with what matters to you from an endorsement standpoint. My current Minnesota homeowners policy, I think I've got 5 pages of not quite single line, but almost endorsement options. And we go through those with clients, and there's some that I can say, yeah, you don't need that, or generally speaking, but things like cosmetic coverage on metal roofs and Side 8 is a big part of the cost of that policy right now. If somebody wants that coverage, means it's important to them. There's an additional cost to have that. But on the other side, maybe they don't have steel siding, and they don't have a steel roof. They don't need to pay for that coverage because it doesn't apply to them.